Hello everybody, how are we doing? Guess what I've got for you today? You've seen the picture, you've seen the title, you know it's Pink Parcel. I've actually had this for a few days and I thought, well, I better wait till February since it's February's box to open it up. But then I saw other people pop them up on the last day of January, whatever that day, 31st? Goodness, I don't even know what day of the month it is. So I thought, well, they've already done it now, but I was having a couple of crappy days, so I wasn't really able to do anything too much, but now I am full of pep and vigour or something like that, and I'm going to show you my Pink Parcel and what I think of it. So if you want to see what's inside and my thoughts on the products, then I would love you to give me a big thumbs up, let me know what you think of the video, share this video with all your friends so that they can see a bit more of me too, because why wouldn't they want to? Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks to all those who have, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload, because it could be any time. Okay, let's get into the video. So here we have the box, and my box keeps wanting to be open like this, so we're going to go with it. Why just cause trouble and not do what the box says? Ooh. Everything's stuck. As usual, we have a HelloFresh card because they're desperate for our custom, I guess. We also have a Betty Box voucher. So Betty Box is basically Pink Parcel, but for teens, and things are a bit smaller and more aimed at teens. Although some of the stuff they get in their boxes is awesome. I've seen a couple. Who have I seen? Beauty Chocolate, I will link her below. She's done one on her Betty Box that she got this month, and I actually might get one just to see what they're like. I mean, they've got candy kittens in them. I know I could just go to the shop and buy candy kittens, but something about the fact that they come in a box makes me more excited. But if you want to get one for half price, there you go, there's the details. You might have a daughter, cousin, niece, whatever, who is in need. Right, what else do we have in here? Scented. Looks like this. No vouchers, but presumably we're going to have something in here. It says 100% natural aromatherapy balms and candles to help you stay scented wherever, whenever. Right, what does Pink Parcel say today? If you don't know what Pink Parcel is, and I'm sure you probably do, but just in case anyone's new to it, it is a period subscription box, and inside it has your tampons and your pads and your panty liners. You go onto the website and you can choose what you would like. You can choose, do you want all tampons? You can choose, do you want all pads? Do you want a mixture? You can choose your brand. They have a few different type brands on there, and you can choose when you want it for. Do you want it to arrive just before your period? Or, well, presumably you want it before your period, but you can pick it around the date. If you say ordered it today, it would take about 10 days for it to come out. So that's the kind of preparation time they need. And the box costs $12.99 a month. There are some offers floating around, but usually it's full price. There is no referral code that I'm able to give you for Pink Parcel. Sorry, they just don't do it. Okay, it says, welcome to your self-love parcel. As the cards, flowers, teddies and chocolates and balloons remind us, February is the month of Valentine's. Yes, time to show your number one, the one that's there for you 24/7, some TLC. And who's that, you ask? Oh, it's you, of course. You're the one that's there for you 24/7. Our body and mind is with us through thick and thin, and February's Pink Parcel is here to celebrate just how incredible we are. Starting with our period's favourite torrid love affair, chocolate. We've got such a decadent selection of cocoa and self-love treats, such as double chocolate chip wax melt from Emily Victoria Candles. Ooh, that was a mouthful. And a Doisy and Dam Divine Choco Bar, so take some time and indulge in the most important woman in your life. Don't forget to share your thoughts on social media using #PP self-love. Always get a cute little bag like this so that you can keep your period products, and inside you will find some things like, I've got some panty liners and some tampons. I'm a tampon girl. And then you've got a for later box, and that's got a mix of tampons in it. And then you've got a for night box, and that has got a bunch of pads in it for night time. So plenty to see you through that fun time of the month. And then we get this box, which is called For You, and this is the one with all the goodies. This is usually worth way over the value of the box, even if you take out the cost of the tampons and the pads and everything, which they obviously cost something, I don't know, £5–10. That is what you're paying for, and then all this stuff is basically free, and it's always cool stuff. So let's open it up. Right, I see first on top this candle from Emily, double choc chip candle. This is what it looks like at the side. This is a wax melt. This is going to go in my giveaway for two reasons. One, I'm not really keen on chocolate scented things because I like to eat it but I don't like to smell it that much. Oh, it does really smell like what it's meant to smell like. So well done, Emily, if that's your name, or whoever the maker of the candle. Yeah, they've got the smell right, they've done that, but it's just not my favourite. And I also don't have a wax melt burner. So I'm going to put this in my subscriber pile. So that one doesn't have a price, but I'm going to find out what it is. Pink Parcel have more recently set up a shop part to their website, and you can see that some of the products, because I can see that Scented is on here, I can see that these Emily's candles are on here. You can get a wax melt burner for $2.99. Oh, you can also get those bandies that we got in last month's Pink Parcel. I'm going to guesstimate that that's worth $5.99. It might be a bit over guesstimation, but that's what we're going to go with because that's how my brain can work. Okay, let's see what's next. Here we have the product from Scented, and it comes in a nice pale pink cardboard case like this, as if it's a perfume. And it says about the website on the back, and inside it says stop travel-friendly aromatherapy balm to help you stay scented wherever, whenever. Stop, inhale, reset. Put it on your temples, your neck, your wrists. Apply to pulse points. Inhale deeply and reset your mood. Repeat your new ritual daily. And this is called Love, and it's full of rose, patchouli and cedarwood. Promotes feelings of harmony, peace and love, comforting and calming. When to use: when you feel overwhelmed, in need of a hug, or simply out of sorts. Love helps restore a sense of inner peace and balance. Okay, and it's 100% natural. It comes in a candle and a travel candle size. Oh, yeah, that is really nice actually. I think I'd like the candle version of this. So on the website, it's 5 grams. I'm going to guess that this is 1 gram just because, could it be any smaller? I don't know. Maybe it could be smaller than 1 gram, but I'm going to say it's a gram. So I'm going to say that's worth £2.90. So let's see what is next. And it's this. It's a Hikari Shimmer Bronzer, and it's worth £13. Feel $1 million by lightly sweeping a blush brush over the palette and over your cheeks to achieve a radiant glow. So next time I put makeup on, I'm definitely going to be using this. But we'll see how this one works. This is quite nice. It literally smells like makeup. If you think of what makeup smells like, this is what it smells like. Like a powder press. Yeah. So there we go. That is that one from here, and then we go round in a, sorry my arm, I can't keep it up, in a circle. So they're all quite sort of peachy, bronzy, orangey tones, which is interesting. I'm sure those two are the same. The two shimmery ones are the same, so if you didn't want shimmer you could avoid them. There we go on my hand. It's that way around really. So that is the top corner one. Then we've got the bronzer, the bronze one, and then that one is that one. So what do we think? They're very orange. I feel like this is not a bronzer thing. This is an eyeshadow quad, to be honest. You don't get much colour out of this one. I don't know. I guess the proof will be in the pudding when I put it on my face. So watch out for this coming soon in a review. We will see. Okay, what else do we have in here? Oh, this I'm really happy for. So happy. So you will have seen, I'm sure because you're a dedicated viewer, you will have seen my, how I like to throw things on the floor. You will have seen my video on Evelyn Iona primer, green tea primer, and look, here's another one. And these are worth like £22. Oh, I've lost my bit of paper. My back hurts, my back hurts. See, I often take breaks because I'm starting to feel a lot of pain now. I need to move into a better position. Right, let's try that position. Okay. So this is a full-size product because I did check on their website and 20ml is a full-size product, the primer, and it's worth £28. So yay Pink Parcel, and I'm so happy because I was like, oh, I'm going to go through this other one like crazy because I really enjoy it. It's the first primer I've tried that I actually feel like, for me personally, does something other than just feel smooth. But yeah, this one really works. The only thing that annoys me is in the other bottle I've got, which is exactly the same size as this, it only looked like it's about full up to here, and it's a 20ml one as well. So I just thought, because it's cruelty free and vegan, paraben free, and it says live consciously on the back. I don't know if you can see that. So they're, I guess, you know, they're about the environment and caring for animals and doing well. Why would you make the bottle so big when it's plastic? And it doesn't say that it's going to be easily recycled. So I don't understand why the bottle's so big and the product only comes up to here. But I am really, really, really happy to have this because I'm really getting through my other one already. Yeah, I'm up to the barcode. Sad, but yeah. So super happy about that. Right, what have we got next? Doisy and Dam, never heard of this brand. Dark chocolate, maple toasted rice and pink salt, organic, 25 grams. It's handmade in the UK, great. Dominican cacao, vegan, gluten-free and soya-free. So perfect for a lot of people. Fancy chocolate. I'm not super keen on dark chocolate, but I have a husband that is, and I'm also not keen on things with salt in it. I know, I'm missing out on everything, and the salty caramel thing is just passing me by. So this will definitely be going to husband's paws. Let's see how much it is. It's £1.75 for 40 grams. So that is worth £1.09. That is a nice little snack. I can't wait for the day that I get a Pink Parcel with a snack that I can actually eat and enjoy. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Face mask, face sheet mask time. Manuka honey, hydrating and moisturising. A moisturising Korean face mask made with extracts of Manuka honey to nourish your skin from Vita Masks. And I've had a pomegranate one from them before, I think, which loved, and so I'm super happy to get another mask. I mean, can you ever have too many face masks in your life? I don't think so. It's a triple layer sheet, artificial skin, moisture essence, and then the skin of your sheet. I don't know what that means. But yeah, very happy to have that. And that's £12.99 for a box of 4. So that is worth £3.25. So it must be time for our tea bags. Oh, just one tea bag. Why did I think it was tea bags? Is it normally more than one? Anyway, this is from Yo-Yo, Escape the Ordinary, Yerba Zing, organic, yerba mate with grapefruit and rosehip. That sounds quite nice. Yerba mate, orange peel, lemon peel, peppermint, rose hips, natural grapefruit, which is a non-organic ingredient, and it contains caffeine. With more antioxidants than a green tea and caffeine rich like your coffee, fall in love with a refreshing combo of peppermint, rose hips, grapefruit and tropical mate. Make as you would a herbal cuppa. That is £4.35 for a pack of 14. So that makes that 31p. So the total value of everything in this box is about £54.54. Obviously I'm not quite sure on the candle, but we'll just go with it because, you know, give or take a few pounds, it doesn't really matter. So £55 pretty much worth of products. How great is that, on top of all your tampons and pads, etc, etc. So I guess Pink Parcel, you're doing well. I am really happy about the mask. I am so happy about this primer. I think that just makes it for me. I mean, obviously it depends if you really enjoy this primer or not, but for me, because I love it, I'm so happy because that's just saved me £28 literally by buying this box, and I get a bonus face mask and everything. So I'm very happy about that. What else does it say in Pink Parcel for us to know? It says, if we're too busy hating ourselves, we can't take over the world. Exactly. Self-love is important. It also says, shop the best of beauty today. because, like I said, there's a pink parcel shop and there's pink panel coming soon. Our fab new rating email allows you to tell us exactly what you think of each month's products. Every one of you helps to shape future parcels, and your comments are important. So keep your eyes peeled in your inbox in the coming months. And that is pink parcel for this month. What do we think? What do you guys think? Do you think it's good value for money? Do you think the contents are nice? Would you like to use it? I am still not sure about these orange blushes. Like, is that not just eyeshadow? I mean, great if you can use it twice, but seriously, as a blush? It's so orange. I mean, I know you get peach blush, but I guess we'll find out in a video, and at least they keep giving me things to test out and show you guys. Thank you so much for spending your time with me and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informational. I hope it was useful in helping you decide if you would like pink parcel. Until next time, live every moment well and take care of yourselves and each other. Bye guys.